Okay, I'm just going to show you how to pressure test your weld to make sure you haven't got any leaks. Even though the actual joint you make is not a high pressure joint, because obviously it's a 2mm pipe going straight through to nothing. There's no restriction on the end, so there's no reason for it to leak. You can see my little weld there. Okay, let's turn him upside down without dropping me phone. Okay, there we have, as I was saying, it's a diaphragm pressure tester. And the bubbles come up the middle. There's no leaks at all on the braze joint. So it is possible. If you've got some form of decent heat, because you have to heat it before you can twist it round. Yeah, so once you've twisted it to where you want it to be, the fact that it's not under any pressure and what have you, you could JB weld it or whatever, arrow die even, because it's not a compression joint. But it's getting it moving in the first place, and you have to get it cherry red hot to actually swivel it around. Okay, bye for now.